Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So in this video, I'll share with you another new high potential project, and the project name is Cubane. They said the backbone of digital infrastructure. Cubane is an FHE-backed, CCCM-powered and custom query language enabled infrastructure layer 1 blockchain designed to address the most pressing challenges in industries like insurance, media, IPR, healthcare, SaaS and more. So basically they are a layer 1 blockchain with incredibly fast transaction speed. The project is backed by Pedal Start and Seed Hunter. The best part is that Cubane claims to process 1.2 million TPS, which is a massive difference compared to other blockchains. If you want more information about their project, then you can visit their official website. Right now they only have 3.4k followers, which means we are joining very early. Before joining, if you haven't yet joined our Telegram channel, then you're missing lots of updates related to crypto and airdrops. I'll provide the link in the description, so check it out now. The joining process is very easy for this airdrop. I'll provide a Telegram link in the description where you'll find the page link. The steps are very simple. It takes less than a minute. You just need to complete a few social tasks on that website to participate in the airdrop. Sign in by clicking here, then choose your wallet. Connect it and confirm it. The first task is to follow their X account. Click the task. Follow their X account, then go back and verify. Done. Next, join their Telegram group. Join the group, go back and verify. Done. Then follow their project. Follow them, go back and verify. Done. Next, comment on their X post. Write something there, reply. Then go back and verify. Done. The final task is to visit their website. Visit the website. Go back and verify. Done. All tasks are now complete. Finally, you can also refer your friends. Just click here to copy your referral link and share it with them. And that's it for this video. I'll give the next update soon, so stay active on our Telegram channel. If you're new to this channel, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. See you in the next one. Goodbye.